Graphic Extras. In this video I'm just going to show you the new design library feature, or libraries, Creative Cloud library feature in Photoshop CC 2014.2 October release. Now got over here libraries, and I'm just going to go straight there, libraries, so you can, if you can't see that, and you can use it with things like the gradient fill as well as pattern fill. These are layers, so you can just go over here, layer. So you don't have to just use it with sort of standard images. They're basically with all add graphic. So you can actually use it with quite a few different features. So now a layer, new fill layer, and I'm going to go for a gradient first. So select OK. Don't want that one. I'm just going to go for that, and I'm going to go for a radial. Click OK. Now I can just drag that over. Quick and easy like that, so you can see it calls gradient fill. Seems to take the name from over here. Now it would be nice if it actually updated the name to be called something else, but you can always do that. You can go to rename test 1, but if you want to rename the actual item, you can just say rename there, or delete it, of course. Now I can actually modify that, so I'm just going to go to double click on there and maybe move that across. Maybe say I don't want radial, but I want angle or reflected. Okay, just go for that one. Maybe change the gradient itself. So click OK, and I can just drag that over as well. So again, there's another one, gradient fill 1. Again, the same name. Doesn't seem to matter too much about the name. I expect there's some internal name that's obviously created that makes a difference between the two. Okay, what you can do now, you can also create a layer and new fill layer and pattern. So, okay, and there's a pattern there, but I'm just going to go for one of the Art Nouveau patterns that I created on my website, Graphic Extras, and I can set the scale, so there's a scale set, and I can drag that over, and you see a little plus, and it will give it a name as well, pattern fill 1. Again, just obviously the same as the actual layer there. So if I now, I'm just going to create another pattern layer, so, or maybe we're going to do change the name, so as well as change the actual pattern just here. So I'll just go for that one. Yep, go for that. Keep the scale the same. Click OK, and change the name. Pattern fill 2, the original, and now drag that across. You have to wait for the plus to pop up. Yes, gives it the pattern fill 2. So it does actually consistently just takes the name from the layer name. So great. So you've got these designs, and of course if you decide you want to bring them back again, you can actually just drag them over, and pattern fill 2 appears again as another layer. So you can now just double click on that. It's still pattern layer, and you can change it. Click OK. Right. Very quick and easy. Great way of using patterns and gradients and combining them, and stores obviously quite a bit of information such as the scale, etc. Hope you found this of interest.